3.
All right. Oh, you win!
Last year, Dexter Cote of Estevan, Saskatchewan won $5,000 of GRK fasteners and a pass load nailer in the 2017 ITW Show Us Your Deck contest. And you didn't, but you got another chance. In 2018, ITW is running the Show Us Your Project contest. Anything you build with GRK fasteners, deck, fence, barn, whatever, is now eligible. Just go to canadiancontractor.ca/ITW contest and you'll find more information on the contest and a link to enter. So enter. Be a winner. Like Dexter. I'm Robert Cosi. I'm the publisher of Canadian Contractor, and I am with Will Chin. He is a product marketing manager for ITW. Will, for years I used drywall screws to install backer board, hardy board, stuff like that. What's the matter with a drywall screw?
Well, some of the issue with drywall screws is that they require higher torque. At the same time, they are really not good for driving at the edge. You may blow out the cement boards that you're driving into.
Okay, you mean at the edge of the board when you drive a screw in and the cement board just crumbles along the edge.
Exactly, and that's probably not a good thing, right? You don't want water to sift through that.
Right.
And at the same time, the drywall screws are not coated to prevent corrosion. They don't have a corrosion resistance because there's a high alkali level in the cement boards.
Oh, okay.
So it causes rust, which can cause the moisture to sift through to the behind the boards, which is not a good thing for your house.
Right, and you've got a chemistry problem there between a typical drywall screw and a backer board, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So you've solved that chemistry somehow. What have you done?
The ITW product rock-on backer-on cement board screws have climate coating, and what they do is that they have high corrosion resistance to prevent corrosion and rust that would happen in a cement board product or bathroom type of environment.
Now I noticed also that these screws have a different design on the underside of the head. What is that for?
So that, along with the serrated head, so it's not a typical rounded head. It's a serrated head.
You mean the fact that they have edges here?
Exactly.
Okay, yep.
Along with the design under that is meant to help the screw to drive in flush, so that it doesn't have mushroom.
Okay.
So as an example,
we're gonna check that out.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So what we've got here is no buildup around the screw head.
Right. No mushroom.
No mushrooming around the screw head, which is really important when you're installing tile on top of this.
Exactly.
Okay. I love the driver head on these screws. What do you call them?
These T25 star drive actually have a special feature with it. It's called stick fit. So when you use it along with the bit that comes with the package, when you put it together, you don't have to use both hands. Right? So you can go at an angle, at a weird location, a tight spot. That makes installation a lot easier.
Yeah, I love these. I was using some of these screws over the weekend, and yeah, you can do a whole lot and not have to worry about the fact that you're going to lose the screw. It's really pretty awesome.
Exactly.
Yeah, they're great. Well, I promise you, I will never use a drywall screw again. These are awesome.